So back-to-back number 3 Ram Ecodiesel here. So the first one we did in the starting of the May. That was a 5.7 Hemi, 2022. Then the one we just going to finish it up, that's 2018 Ecodiesel V6. And this is right here, it's 2016. It's not just here for the engine rebuild. We also going to change the color of the truck. So it's not just a engine on this thing. We're going to give a couple of mod on this one. So the customer, they want to change the color with a two-tone. I don't know. Right now, they keep on deciding it, but one should be matte black on this one. So we're going to change color on the outer body. Plus, we're going to do the all 4x4 fluids on this one with the complete rebuild from top to bottom. Ecodiesel V6, and we're going to use the piston, crank, and everything from ECS tuning. We'll show you the glimpse how we're going to roll it inside, doing the stuff. But this is not a normal rebuild on Mrik Auto. This is something we're going to do a couple of things custom in the engine and outer shell. So if you guys do have any of the Ecodiesels and you want to make it rebuilt from top to bottom, you got some knock on your Rams, 1500, 2500 Cummins, give us a call. We'll happy to help you out. The way this truck came from Windsor, by the way. It's not from the local. They watch our video on the YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. They got this truck. This got that last week, so it's like maybe 5 days away. Like the engine got seized up. They was hauling some stuff in the back with a trailer when they just got the oil all over the front. So they towed it to the local mechanic. They said we don't do Ecodiesel rebuilds on this one. They got us from Instagram, and here we go. And we're going to do finalize probably in 2 weeks, because the pistons and the cranks and the bearings, head gasket, they're on the way probably next week. This week is a Canada Day, so I don't think so we're going to get this week. Next week the parts are coming, but we're going to pull it up in the shop probably by Thursday. You will see that. Stay tuned if you want to know more about the Ecodiesel rebuild, the one we're doing custom. Any of the similar inquiries, give us a call, book your appointment. On to the next car.
All right, guys, so there's the update on the oil prices. That's the second week of July. So if you guys do have the new Jettas, Audis, having this 6200 liquid moly 020, that thing is go up to $35. So whatever was the price, plus $35 plus taxes. Every oil is going to get jumped out. As you guys know, the war situation around the world. So all the imported oils, they are up with 30%. I don't know what exactly make and model you guys have it. For inquiries, you can give us a call. We'll give you the best price as possible. But for now, everything is sky high, especially with the oil prices. The part price is going to be sooner sky high, probably in August, if the situations stay the same. So for now, liquid moly, Motul, the other one, what we have, AD Mistu, Ineos, everything is up 30%. Any inquiries, give us a call. We'll give you the code. All right, guys. So we got this beautiful 2019 Challenger. It's a SXT Plus. Came up almost from 2 hours from here. The only reason they far travel because they know we installed a coated rotors with premium ceramic pads. That's what they're here for. And we're going to do some couple of fluid flex on this car too. They came up all from the Windsor side, and we already installed the front rotors right here. So the coated rotors are here. Pads, we are going to put it in a couple of minutes. If you guys do want any of the premium line brakes on specifically Challengers, Chargers, Camaros, or Mustangs, because they're the heavy vehicle, and if you just try to make those things cheaper brakes, you're gonna have a problem while stopping this car because these are insanely fast cars. So any of the premium line brakes, give us a call, book your appointment. We're happy to help you. We have a larger inventory on the brakes. Feel free to give us a call. On to the next car. Right behind me, we had this 2020 GLC 300. It costs somewhere around 150 clicks. So the common notorious problem with this ones are the front forward control arms and the mid arms. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Four of the ball joints they got placed. When the customer try to stop it, it's jerk really bad from the front, and also it's vibrating when they press it somewhere at 90 kilometers an hour. So these are the brand new arms right here. We're going to install the brand new ones. And these are the one we took it out. We already installed the mid arms, the forward ones. We're going to install it. This is the old forward arm right here. One is on this side, other one is over there. So if you come to have a GLC and you're braking 90 to 100 and you feel an insane shake, which is not a brake shake, this is the thing you need to get replaced. Especially all of the imported ones. We don't carry any of ABC brand, cheaper ones. If you want to go another 150 quid, especially on this kind of SUV with your family, you need to put them in photo ones. That's the OEM with Mercedes. Any of the control arm works, you can just book an appointment. We're happy to help you.